Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I take a design that I purchased from the Silhouette Studio library or the Silhouette Studio store, and save it as an SVG to use it in a different program. Right. So this particular design I purchased from the Silhouette store. Um, and if I, so this is just it. I just opened it up from my library. So if I wanted to save this as an SVG, so this is how that's going to work. I can go here, I can do save to hard drive. So I'm going to change it to SVG, and I'm just going to put bride to be, right? So bride to be, and this is the error that I get. Silhouette Design Store content will display an exported file as dotted line segments as shown below. So I'm going to click OK. So then I'm going to go here to my Glowforge software, and I'm going to attempt to open that up. I'm going to attempt to open it up and show you guys what it's going to look like. All right, so this is what it looks like. So it's not gonna let me cut this because it doesn't have, I mean, I could cut it, but it's not gonna be how I want it because it doesn't have solid lines. It has rigid lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go back to Silhouette Studio. And again, this is the design I purchased from the library. So there's more than one way that you can save designs as SVGs that you purchase from the Silhouette library, but this is the easiest way that I have found to do it. And if I'm not mistaken, you have to have the business edition to be able to do this. So I'm going to go here to my trace panel, and I'm going to select trace area, and I'm going to highlight the area that I want to trace, right? And then I'm just going to click trace down here, and then this is what it looks like. So this was the original one, so I'm going to delete that one so I have that out the way. So I'm going to add some color to this one. I just like adding color to my stuff. So then I'm going to make this a little smaller because I'm actually making a cake topper. I'm not going to use it as a cake topper, but this is how you would make a cake topper if you don't want to purchase it and you want to make your own. And I'm going to actually cut mine from acrylic using my Glowforge. So I'm just going to size it down a little like this, right? And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to select my select the shape that I want to use for the bottom part of the topper. So I'm going to use this shape for the simple fact I like the way it is at the bottom. So I'm just going to do it like that. And then I'm going to place it here. So first I'm going to group them together, and I'm going to go over here to my alignment panel. I want to make sure that it's centered, right? And then I'm going to place this exactly where I want it. So I'm just going to move it up a little bit like that, right? I'm going to change this to red. Why didn't it change? All right, change that to red so I can see it. And then I'm just going to grab the two together, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to select weld. So now this is one piece. So then if I go here and I save to my hard drive, right, I can change this to SVG, and I can do so I'm just gonna I don't know what I had saved as cake topper to start with. So I'll just do cake topper 2. So and then I'm just gonna hit OK. And you notice I did not get that message because I actually traced the original design that I had initially purchased. So then if I go here to my Glowforge software, and I'm just gonna go to cake topper right here, and I'm gonna open it up. And there it is. So now I have all solid lines, so I can just click print. Well, actually, I wouldn't be able to click. I'm not going to click print on here because it's too close. I need to get a different piece of acrylic. But anyway, so it's ready to be cut now. So that's how you can use your silhouette, your designs from the silhouette store and change them, um, manipulate them, so to speak, to be able to use them in different programs. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to someone. Until the next time, you all have a great one.